Hi, welcome back to Quadcopter Drones. Today I've got something a little bit different. I've got something to show you that's coming up next week. This is the SG900-S GPS drone. Runs on a 2S battery, got all the normal features that you'd expect on a GPS drone, and I'm quite hopeful this is going to be decent. Let's hope the camera's better than the rest of them. Thank you. Thanks very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please hit the like button, and please do consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.